The storm was located near Leon, or 11 miles east of Nakona, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Munster, St. Joe, Lindsay, Callisburg, and Lake Kiowa. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 493 and 503. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central Texas.